up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some hamburger helper. We just finished the pickle, so make sure y'all go watch that video, okay? Don't forget to get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Alright, so we're gonna start with a little bit of oil. Then we're going to toss in our ground beef and kind of just brown this up. I like to let it sit there for a little while. Let it get a little brown before I start chopping it up. Okay, so we're going to go with a little bit of seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder. And I think I'm going to go with a little bit of smoked paprika. I'm going to use a little bit of this as well. So you want to drain the grease out of this. But since it's not that much, I'm going to just take a paper towel in there and wipe around. Now we're just going to toss in our onion and some tomato paste. We're going to add in some garlic. Alright, y'all, I'm going to add a little W sauce, Worcestershire, however you say it. So we do have our water boiling over here for our noodles. We are just going to add a little bit of salt. So we're just going to add our noodles to this. This is just some elbow noodles. Just cook these like the directions on the box, y'all. Nothing fancy about the noodles. Now we're just going to add about a half a cup of beef broth until we get the consistency we like, I guess. We're going to add a little heavy whipping cream, just a little bit, y'all. Y'all can also add some brown sugar, whatever y'all want. Y'all can kind of get creative at this point. I'm going to add some ketchup. This is optional, but it is a hamburger, right? Now we're going to just add the noodles in. Now once we add the cheese, it might get a little thick. So I got my beef broth on standby. So I can pour some in there. Or you can use your pasta water. It's up to you. And get this all incorporated with each other. I'm going to add some Velveeta. I like Velveeta. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Block cheese and shredded. We're just going to add a couple of these. A little mixed cheese. I'm going to add a little mozzarella. This is where we're going to add a little bit more beef broth because I can feel it getting thick. Yeah, I want to loosen it up a little bit. Add some parsley. So I'm going to add some cheese on top and we're just going to let this melt. Look how creamy it is, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. It is very creamy and very cheesy, y'all. Y'all can also add bacon to this. I forgot to let y'all know. But don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.